and welcome to my channel. My name is Oluwatunseyi. I make videos on healthy meals and recipes you can make at home. If that sounds like what you're interested in, consider subscribing. Today I'm going to be making a recipe that Sisiyemmie made earlier, and that is chicken salad. It's a clone video. Come along with me as we try this recipe.
I have these vegetables here: the carrots, lettuce, cucumbers, and cabbage. Then the chicken. Let's start with the veggies and get them done with before prepping the chicken to avoid cross-contamination. All these have been washed and they are clean. We are going to prep them right away. We begin with carrots. It is actually faster and easier to use this grater. Kids should not handle this, and adults should be mindful of their fingers. You can actually use a deep bowl to avoid messing up your table. As I mentioned earlier, this is a clone video. This is a video that was made by Sisiyemmie earlier. I decided to make this recipe too. So kindly watch to the end and see the outcome. You can use any type of grater that you want, or the grater that is easier for you. But when you're using this, be careful not to hurt your fingers. Okay, so that's all about the carrots. We are going to set this aside and prep the remaining veggies. This is the lettuce. Just one stalk. Be careful with your fingers too. You can shred them in small bits. We will set this aside. Now let's chop the cucumbers. If you don't want the seeds, you can remove them. In that recipe, she used a seedless cucumber. But if you can't get a seedless one and you have something like this, you can remove the seeds like this. But I'm going to leave the seeds. You can also go ahead to SisiYemmie channel, SisiYemmieTV, to go and watch the original recipe. She made the original recipe. So kindly go watch it, go see that video. You can make it smaller. Cut it to your desired size and shape. Next is the cabbage. You can decide to use a small sized cabbage instead of dividing it into two. Okay, we are just going to put everything together. We're going to mix it later. We'll come back to do the mixing later, but the question is, where is the mayonnaise? Sisiyemmie used mayonnaise in that recipe, but I don't have mayonnaise at the moment. I usually use homemade mayonnaise. So I went ahead to search for some of her videos to see if she has done any homemade salad dressing or any mayonnaise before. Guess what? I found one. We're going to use that same recipe right now. And that recipe is mustard honey salad dressing. So let's do it together. Come along with me. We have some ingredients here. We have the honey, olive oil. This olive oil is from Jordan. apple cider vinegar, black pepper. This has been grinded. These are mustard seeds. I made this from this. If you want to see the recipe, you can comment below. I'm going to use this empty container to do the mixing. Then I have my cup and spoons for measurement. Here we go. A 1/4 cup of mustard, I have just added the 1/4 cup of olive oil. I need lemon. You can use any of these. We need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Squeeze the lemon to get the juice. This is 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 3 tablespoons of honey. I want the honey to come out clean from this cup. That's why I will first put the remnant of this olive oil in the tablespoon. This is salt and I need a 1/4 teaspoon. A 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, that's ACV. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. You cover the container and shake very well to combine. This is the homemade salad dressing. We will set all this aside while we move ahead to the next thing, and that is the preparation of the chicken. Chicken breasts are preferable because they are tender and also low in fat. When you're preparing this yourself from a whole chicken, it is usually not stressful to debone because they contain less bone. So if you are considering weight loss, you can go for the chicken breast. Let's season the chicken. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, but I'll be using chili pepper. This is chili pepper. Salt, we will use 1/2 teaspoon. Mixed spice, 1/2 teaspoon. This is my homemade mixed spice. If you want to know what the constituents are, please kindly check my mixed spice video. Sprinkle a little amount of oil, mix properly. Set all this aside. The next thing is to grill the chicken or a grilling pan. Sprinkle some oil. This is going to grill for about 4 to 5 minutes before you flip to the other side. But if you can't get the right timing, you simply check to see if the side on the pan is turning white. That gives you an indication that it is getting done. Can you see this? This is changing its color. You may also decide to cover the pan with a lid to help contain the heat and also to get it done faster. I'll try to mop out the oil with this kitchen paper towel. Most times when I grill chicken, I don't bother to add any oil to the pan because the chicken will grill in its own oil. I've tried to mop the oil. I actually put too much. We don't need this oil, so I'm sorry about this. We're going to add about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to this. Then add your salad dressing. This is the mustard honey salad dressing we made earlier. I allowed it to sit for some time. I know a lot of you have subscribed and you keep coming back. Thank you so much. I'm grateful for this. Please, each time you watch my video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. It will go a long way to help this channel. Mix everything together properly. You may decide to apply the dressing when you are ready to eat. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe and click the notification bell, and also click all so that when I post any video, you'll be among the first to be notified. You may be wondering what I'm going to use to fill up the empty part of the plate. I'll be filling them with this. I have some eggs and tomatoes here. But if you're making in bulk and putting in the fridge, since that's what the recipe is all about, you can omit them as they won't last long. Thank you so much for watching to this point. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you are here on this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell to get notified each time I post a video. And to my returning subscribers, you are all wonderful. Thanks so much for always coming back to see new uploads. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.